Guys, so it's gonna be a forward test over here. This is gonna be pre-market forward test. So what was the reasoning of this trade? If we look to the hourly time frame, we have this equal low, which is relatively equal lows, which was previous day lows. If you could actually look, so those my take profits here was previous day low. We're delivering from this buy side liquidity over here, which was also a high, which was pretty much like an SMT with yes on those hourly for our intermediate highs. Then on the hourly, we're extremely bearish. You can see we're delivering lower, and particularly I will be aiming to break. Oh, wasn't able to break even there, but I was planning to break even on this low right here, which was technically PM lows from yesterday. Planning to go break even on that major low, which was gonna do right now. So I'm gonna go break even there. Say, bro, what was your entry? Unfilled 15 minute, which was also an unfilled 5 minute. I didn't really get an entry there. I was looking at 3 minute. I didn't like any entry. However, when I scale down here in the 1 minute, if we would look at ES, what the ES is currently at. If we look at ES, we actually swept a unfilled 5 minute over here, which gave us an SMT. And if you look actually in the hourly time frame, we're going a lot lower. We already took actually the previous day lows. However, I do believe we should still go lower, or at least NQ would try to catch up on where ES is currently at. That's why I took this trade. Currently risk free on this trade, so it's nothing really much. I'll just let this trade be. I went for 2 minis, looking for a good 1.4 RR. This day, PM lows. So say, bro, why you took it pre-market? Draw was there. Like, I don't really have plans to trade this day. If ever I'm gonna be trading later, I'm leading bullish, but I don't want to be bullish unless these lows are taken out. So I took this toward this previous day lows. After this lows gets taken out, I'm gonna be bullish because we have this equal highs over here, and it's gonna be a strong draw later. Nonetheless, I want us to go lower here and take out previous day lows before we change order flows. If this ever fails to deliver, the only reasoning is ES already took it, but I do believe NQ should catch up. So I'll be updating it later on the outcome of this trade. What's up, guys? So an update on our trade. We literally just banged on our TV. I went away like on the last clip, but candle after actually hit our TV without hitting our break even, which is pretty nice. So that was a really quick trade right there. These were actually news. It did have PPI right now, so this is now our data lows, and yeah, it's a pretty quick trade right there. And currently, if we're gonna look on this account, we're currently up. Wait, we're gonna see that. So we're currently up good 1,000 on that trade, like 1,300. So really nice trade there. We're able to capitalize on this initial move, and I was pretty bearish on the day. However, if ever we're gonna have a trade later, I'm leading bullish, but seems like we might want to look at this sell liquidity here. So that's gonna be all for today, and hope you learned a lot from this video. It was something I don't usually do because I always try to trade on my laptop, but I usually don't. I'm not able to trade on a laptop on Fridays. But yeah, that's gonna be a quick trade right there. That's pretty much the ideology and reasoning for this trade. I'm focusing the drawn liquidity, which was this previous day European lows, which was a major low, and the previous day low, which was strong drawn liquidity. Yes, he has already took those previous day lows. However, I know that NQ should catch up, knowing how bearish we currently are. Then that was like an actual 15 minute. There was this unfilled 5 minute that also rejected, which also created equal highs here. I wasn't able to see any good entries after that first break. But on this break right here, some people might call this like market structure shift, whatever you call that, but I don't really trade based on that. There's no also 3 minute entry that I like. So I just really focus on that 1 minute. After taking this low, we had like a resweep, and ES had an SMT. FEG SMT, which was an unfilled 5 minute. Some people might actually took this long right here and try to target those equal highs, but you need narrative. We're extremely bearish, and after that inverse, actually I was about to enter on this candle closure, but I did enter on this candle closure right here, and the fill was there, and targeted just previous day lows, and we're currently banging over what 80 points right now. It was only a 30-point take profit. So yeah, I hope you'll learn a lot from this video. I'm probably not gonna be trading later, but I'll be updating you. But I'm leading, not trading. I already had the win of the day. Got a good almost 3% win, so I'm gonna keep this up. My goal on this account before I start trading again would be try to get this account up to like 5400, leading to 5500. And yeah, it's gonna be all for today, guys. Hope you learned a lot from this video. It's a pretty quick trading day. It's a Friday, and it was pre-market stripe, so it's gonna be all. Peace out.